Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to the series of our Python programming language brought to you by Coder Station. In today's video, we will see how to install Python on your devices and using it with VS Code editor so you can type your first code in Python programming language. So let's get started. Before starting about installation, let's get a quick recap about our last video. So in last video, we saw what is Python. So Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It is used around the globe and it is most popular programming language. History and background of Python. So Python was started developing in late 1980s and it was developed by Sir Gunio van Rossum and the first release of Python was done in 1991. The features of Python includes readability, simplicity, large standard libraries, dynamic typing, and much more. Applications of Python. So Python is most prominently used in the sectors like web development, AI and machine learning, data science, scientific computing, etc. So without wasting time, let's get started with the installation of Python. So to download Python, go to website python.org. Once you come to this website, go to Downloads tab. Now, depending upon your device, you will have to download Python. In my case, I am using Windows, so without wasting time, I'll download Python for Windows. I am downloading the latest version of Python. So the download will take some time. As you can see here, my python.exe has been downloaded. So after the installation of setup for Python, you will have to download the VS Code. So to download VS Code, go to your browser and type VS Code download. Once you type VS Code download, you will see a Visual Studio Code website link. Click on the link. Now, according to your device, you will have to download. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll download the setup for Windows. The download will start automatically and download will take time according to your internet connection. Here are some documentation provided by Visual Studio Code which you can refer and read it. Once the download for VS Code is complete, we will set up Python and VS Code in our devices. So after the installation of both of our setups, that is Python and Visual Studio Code, now we will install them in our device. To install Python, double click on the Python installer. After you double click on the installer, you will see a welcome window. In this window, please click on add python.exe to path checkbox. Once you click this, click on the install now button. Allow administrator permission. The setup will take time according to your device configurations. It will install all the libraries and everything needed to install Python. So the installation setup was successful. Now close this. Now we will start installing VS Code. For installing VS Code, double click on the VS Code and click on I accept agreement and click on next. In my case, I have already installed VS Code, so I will not install it again. So now we have done with the installation of Python and VS Code in our device. In the next part of the video, we will see how to code using VS Code. So stay tuned for the next part. Thank you for watching.